More cell organelles. Let's review some cell facts. 1. All living things are made of cells. 2. All cells are grouped as prokaryotic or eukaryotic. And 3. All cells are made of organelles. Previously, we reviewed all the organelles in animal and plant cells. In animal cells, there are organelles such as cytoplasm, mitochondria, vacuole, nucleus, ribosomes, and a cell membrane. Plant cells have those same organelles as animal cells, but they have two different organelles. The cell wall on the outside of the cell gives structure and protection to the cell, and the chloroplast, the green square inside of the cell, contains the chlorophyll that converts the sun energy to light energy. Let's dive into a few more cell organelles that we didn't cover last time. The mighty mitochondria. We did talk about the mitochondria last time, but let's go into a little more depth. We talked about the mitochondria being the powerhouse of the cell. Here's what that means. The mitochondria takes in nutrients from the food that we eat, and it breaks down those nutrients and creates energy for the cell to be able to use. This energy that the cell uses is called ATP. The process of the cell converting the food that you eat into ATP is called cellular respiration. These are going to be important terms that you're going to need to know. Next, let's look at ribosomes. We did talk about these little circular structures, ribosomes, previously in our last discussion. We talked about how ribosomes make proteins. These proteins are super important because DNA, which we're going to talk about soon, codes for these specific proteins. The endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum is an organelle that you're going to see right next to the nucleus. This organelle processes molecules for the cell and transports those molecules around. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum: rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Here's a good picture of rough endoplasmic reticulum. You can see that there's little dots. Those dots are ribosomes, which gives it its rough texture. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is a protein producing and it transports things. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum looks like this. It has a smoother surface. It is responsible for detoxification and it makes lipids. Last, let's talk about the Golgi body, sometimes referred to as the Golgi apparatus. The Golgi body is known as the packaging center of the cell. It receives items, it modifies molecules, it sorts items, and it determines where molecules will be sent out. Want a copy of these notes? Go to our class teams, click on the Files tab, click on the Week 6 folder, and open the document titled More Cell Organelle Notes.